Welcome back, folks, to the studio. I think in the last few days, maybe the persistent gray skies and no sunlight have got me in a creative jam. And it does happen from time to time. But today I went out, we just got our second light dusting of snow, the most snow we've seen in over 700 days in New York City. And I got the brainstorm, why don't I go back to my sketchbook? And I think you all have seen the video I posted of my sketchbook. It was video number 7. Also video number 17 shows all my marking implements, my blacks, grays, whites, and I put resources where they can be bought. But that's usually what I go in and work with in my sketchbook to quickly bring up ideas. And this is just to show you, I'm just going to show you the black and white sketches I've put in here. I know in the previous video I had some color ones, but I want to do something that I've never done and extrapolate some of this abstraction and some of these forms and shapes and design and kind of recreate them like some of the old master abstractionists did, like Gorky, Picasso, Miro, Wilfredo Lamb. I'm trying to think of another one. Cislo, Peruvian artist. So their drawings, abstract drawings, informed their paintings. So that's what I want to start doing. It's something new for me because I usually stand up in front of that blank surface and just go at it with no thought, as I told you in the last video, where I'm trying to let that hand overrule the brain and make its own decisions. So that's pretty much how I've worked. But I want to try this now. I want to try giving a different kind of platform for my imagery, and I still want to be fast and immediate and less thinking, but I want to pull these images out and see how they'll work together, because I like some of them a great deal. They have some strong merits to me. And what I'm going to do next is work inside this book on a hyperlapse, so you can actually see me working in here, and just so you get the feel how quickly I work at it in the sketchbook, and you'll see how I play with the mediums. So that being said, stay tuned for the next segment that will splice into here. Thank you very much.